Hello everyone, hope you are well. So today we will talk about Vivo X100 Ultra. So let's get started. First of all, we will talk about this phone body. This phone body is 229 gram aluminium frame, dust resistance display. This phone display is 6.78 inch LTPO AMOLED, 120 Hz refresh rate, Dolby Vision, HDR, 1440 into 3200 pixel resolution, aspect ratio 20:9. Cheapest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm. Memory 256 GB with 12 GB RAM and 512 GB with 16 GB RAM. OS Android 14. Origin OS. Rear camera is 50 megapixel with 1.8 aperture, telephoto 200 megapixel with 2.7 aperture, and ultra wide angle 50 megapixel with 2.2 aperture. Front camera is 50 megapixel with 2.5 aperture. Video capture. This phone rear camera can capture 8K with 30 fps, 4K with 30, 60 and 120 fps, and front camera can capture 4K with 30 and 60 fps, HD with 30 and 60 fps. Battery. This phone battery is 5500 mAh with 80 watt wired charging system and 30 watt wireless charging system. Connectivity. 5G, dual SIM, Wi-Fi 7, NFC, fingerprint reader, and good sound system. Overall, if you are looking for a stylish phone, then you can go with Vivo X100 Ultra. So that was the video for today, and we will see you in the next video. Thank you.